Hey everyone, are you curious to know about Henley.com? So you are at the right place. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on this website as people from United States are very curious to know about this website. So if you are one of them, watch the video because we are going to share the details regarding this website as there is not much information about website online or on official pages available. So we are going to check out the details in depth. As far as its registration date is concerned, it was registered on 13th March 2021 for just 1 year, like it will expire on 13 March 2022. The payment method are accepting the Visa card, MasterCard, Discover, PayPal and American Express. As far as its email address is concerned, they have mentioned the email address which is not matching the domain name, which is and it is a red sign and red alert. As far as its popularity is concerned, it is not popular among the customer, and we are lacking the customer reviews also. As far as physical address is concerned, on their website they have mentioned a physical address. They have the facility of newsletters and social media links are available on the website. The positive point of shopping from Trainly.com are there are various home products and appliances, and the items are available for reasonable rates. As for our disadvantages are concerned, the disadvantages are outweigh the advantages as there is no mention of the owners of the website. There are no reviews of the customer who have associated with this website previously. The website is poorly designed and the name of the official website is also different from domain name. Some items present on the website lacks products name and description. So the question is Trainly is legit, as we are discussing certain parameters to check out it's either it's suspicious or not. So we are going to check out it in depth. As we have discussed, it is just 4 months and 10 days old website, and the trust score is shallow, like it is just 2%. As far as the trust rate score is concerned, it is 46.6 out of 100. The score comes with the tags such as questionable, conversational and flagged. The written content on the website show plagiarism. As far as its official address is concerned, the website official address provided could not be cited on the maps and does not show a company's exact location. And as far as customer reviews are concerned, and which is a sport for us to decide the legitimacy of the website, we are unfortunate to find that we could not find even a single customer review regarding this website, not on the website nor on any other social media platform. So in conclusion, we can say that as we have discussed its poor trust score and its newly registered website, and the content is also plagiarized, so we can say that it is not a trustworthy website. So we recommend you all to stay away from this website because it's shady and it is hiding certain important information. So by then you may not get scammed, so you must be away from this website and shop from some other legit stores. And if you got scam on this website and you have any experience for shopping from this website, do write in the chat box. We will love to hear from you.